Serious Richmond Lamptey situation the tiane say currently no or recuperate our gym the aka no mpai bonko akotoko lucky say next weekend and I say weekend idea anymore there is no Ghana Premier League until the advantage is that kotoko enya time say one ha brekum Chelsea game ebeba so and it's 9 game no ebeba so 18th which is next week here day weekend here day weekend for forever into game no I think ever follow on Saturday it is say there is a leeway for Kotoko to have Richmond Lamptey back in the team versus Brekum Chelsea. Initially maybe confirm I say you know doctors they can say from the timelines it is against Hasufuk and the yes setting so back. But and I'm say you pushy nyoma kwa na nim kakra nti one ha Brekum game no obeba be cheche skills kakra yes say no recuperate e gym as you saw on the screen because of recuperation and they say recovery na all you know recovery na aka gym works na ekoso ne ade a gym work o do say aha when me and the child ugina mu ho do yeah easy o kotoko now another information I want to say once and I'm say weekend Kotoko any league game biana Premier League enko so na FA Cup na so Kotoko ebo friendly game na friendly game no I think say na Thursday yeah but there will be another one yes fully I know so you be confirm it is against Josu Bay's Future Stars and Kotoko ne omobo sa friendly game no na that particular friendly game obeka say Kotoko in September 2023 you call Mampong na ye preparation towards the season. Any Future Stars for ya a boy I think say ye show mo kra na ene Kotoko ne Future Stars ebesa bo na che say players now omunya bimbo ni players as say ye pese ye hu say omo ne ye de omo ye 11 no and friendly game there it is an opportunity to players are more the peripheries no mo nso abekire omo bobre kakra just as you can see on the screen Kalu Watara near there is a Kalu Watara situation no once in Fege ne player Mukwala mpanyifo chese one help bekono one ha they say the mantle would have fallen on Kalu Watara but Kalu Watara intimate and clicky of late but still now mpanyifo say sir utimi prove no ho a next season obeginem ama Kotoko sa ankoba sa nso a Sudan Strikers bi ba local market even so say usu Prince Kobena usu ni ade din bebre e wo ho a mo ha ombeba no mo abel fill the shoes of Mfege ene Mukwala in the event say omo free Kotoko so anope update kakra yensa kan eno no